Hi, today I am going to give you intro about C programming language. C programming is developed in 1972 by Dennis Ritchie. It was mainly developed for writing operating system. Now these days, many programming languages like C++, Java, JavaScript, Python, PHP has taken features and syntax of C language. C++ is nearly a superset of C. It means we can write C program in C++, but we cannot write C++ program in C. It is procedural programming language and it's follow top-down approach. It means it's execute code line by line. For understanding any language, we need to be familiar about the grammar of those language and need to study all the basic components available on those language. For example, if we need to learn English, we need to be familiar about alphabets, words, sentence, and paragraph. And finally, we will be able to speak or write English. Same as in any programming language, we need to be familiar about the alphabets, digit, symbols. Then we need to be learn about keyword, constant, and variables. Then we will be able to write instruction. After this we will learn how to write program, and when we will write many programs together, finally we will be able to create application. For writing any programs, we generally follow these four steps. First step, reserving memory so that we can store data. Second step, inputting data. Third step, processing that inputted data. And fourth step, displaying the result or process data. This is example of C program. All programs start from main function. Main function. In this program, in first line, we have declares three variable x, y, and z. Name three variables, and it's called reserving. This line called reserving memory. And next two lines, x is equal to 10 and y is equal to 2. We are going to input data. It means we are going to input 10, 20 into x and y. And this fourth one line, z is equal to x plus y, it means this line is called processing data. It means we are adding value of x and y, and we are going to give this value, addition of these two value into z. It means this line is called processing the data. And the last step, we need to display the data. It means display the result. So in C programming, for displaying any message or result, we use print function. So we write here print f, in dual quotes we write sum of both number is colon percent d. In print f, what we will write in double quotes, it will same will be output, but instead of this after percent one letter we are written percentage d. It means it will find after comma any variables and it will put value of those variables. So here it is percentage d, and it will find after comma one variable it will find z. It means it will display value of z instead of this percentage d. So it will, when we will run this program in a compiler, it will be give result like sum of both number is 30.